the
Okay.
session.
Okay.
Let me share my screen quickly. Can anyone confirm whether screen is visible?
Yeah, it is visible. It is visible.
It's visible.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, in terms of outbound process, what is your knowledge? Like, have you heard the term picking, packing, staging, loading? So while we are doing the outbound process, up to which step you are aware, Satish?
Sorry, sir.
The outbound process. What is the outbound process? What do we mean by outbound process?
So outbound process, we need to deliver the goods to customer,
Yeah, it can be customer or it can be other plant also, right?
other plant also.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. So remember, in outbound process of EWM, we follow four steps. Pick, pack,
Okay.
stage, load. Pick means once the order comes and delivery is
Um,
created and distributed, what we need to do, we go and need to pick. We need to create the PKU and we need to
okay.
pick the item. And then
Okay.
next step is to pack it. Okay,
Okay.
pack it.
Okay.
For that you need a handling unit, PKU.
Okay. Okay.
Then we need to stage it in the staging bin, which is 9020 GI zone staging.
GI
Yeah,
zone.
GI
Okay.
zone staging bay. And then
Okay.
finally we need to load it into the vehicle and then goods issue. This is the
Okay.
standard process being used throughout the organization. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if we consider SD module as an example, which is integrated with
Mm.
EWM system. So as a first step,
Mm.
we need to create a sales order, BA01 transaction code to create a
Okay.
external customer sales order.
Okay.
Then we need to create the outbound delivery, and outbound delivery will be created only if the stock is available at AFS location, right? Because while doing the goods issue, check the available stock, not the input stock. So we have to
Okay.
see stock should be available in advance in the AFS
Okay.
location. That is the first criteria to create a outbound delivery in your ERP system.
Okay. Sir, hi sir. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Actually, I have created one purchase order and I have created one delivery, but the delivery I copied, and if I go to the PRDI transaction code, but my outbound delivery is not coming here. I am unable to do the good
Purchase
receipt.
order or sales order?
Sorry, part, through purchase order, I have created inbound delivery. Okay, and I copied the inbound delivery from VL31N and I have gone to
No,
JWI.
that is separate, Santu. That is inbound chapter that is already done. We'll check that.
That is not working for me.
Yeah,
My warehouse is not working.
you give me that inbound delivery after the class. I'll check that. Okay.
Okay,
Give
and
the inbound
what where
delivery.
I
You
have
should
missed
have
it?
given it
Okay, please
at least
explain.
one day before. You could have given it. Inbound
So I
chapter
thought
is
I will show
already
you in
done.
the system.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay, fine. Now listen the outbound process. I'll check the issue that you are facing in inbound process. Okay, this is outbound process. You can see we are going through the outbound process now. Inbound process. If
okay,
you have anything, you means drop me the details. Inbound delivery details. I'll tell you what is the issue. I'll fix it. Okay.
okay, okay,
Yeah. Now we are discussing the outbound process. Fine. Now, so to create the outbound delivery, we need a storage location, AFS storage location. After saving the outbound delivery, what will happen? The similar way, the way inbound delivery is distributed, the similar way outbound delivery also will be distributed to EWM system. And we can access that outbound delivery order using transaction code PRDO. Either PRDO or we can use MON transaction as well. Both the transaction, using both the transaction, we can check the outbound. Okay. Now, once everything is done, you can see the outbound delivery updated in ERP system. Suppose in EWM system, you have done peak, pack, stage, load, and submitted, means goods issue completed. So same data will be updated in ERP system. And if we go to the VL03's end screen, we can see the document flow and check the goods issue document. So expected result is goods issue posted and the movement type 601 called and it has been sold to the sold to the customer. Okay, this is the steps. Now, what are the master data needed? When we are working with the outbound process, we need the business partner, customer code, correct? We need a business partner or customer code, because when we create a sales order, we need the customer number, ship to party. Those things should have been configured. Stock should be available at your AFS location, okay, which you can check in monitor transaction, available stock. This is the condition. Now, before doing the goods issue, I would suggest you to check the stock, what is the present stock, by which you can understand that, okay, how much cost means stock has been reduced after the outbound process. Now, if we go to the mat on transaction, material transaction, here we need to specify an indicator, like put eye control indicator. Similar way, we have a removal control indicator, RCI1. For example, this is customizable. As per your wish, you can do the nomenclature, you can create your removal control indicator. The way you have created
So
the,
like,
yes,
hmm. Sir, one question, like put away control indicator PACI we kept, right?
yes,
Like
PSCI.
same thing, stock removal I need to configure
Yes,
before that
yes, same
picking.
removal control
Okay,
indicator, which will be linked to
okay,
a storage type search sequence, which will be linked to your
okay, okay,
storage type search sequence, same way, so that it will search the
okay,
stock into that search storage type that you have mentioned in the list. Okay.
okay, okay,
Now, when creating the business partner, we need two roles, FLCU00, which is company code view, and FLCU01 for sales area view. What is this? In case of vendor master, when we create a vendor master BP transaction, then we create the vendor and we extend FLVN00 and FLVN01, right? The purchasing view and company code view for vendor.
correct.
Similarly,
Yeah,
similarly for customer, we need these two rules, FLCU00, FLCU01. This is company code view, which is nothing but FD01 transaction code, and this is sales view, which is nothing but BD01 transaction code. Both are obsolete in S/4HANA. So we have to deal with the BP, business partner. Clear? And the view, other things means data maintenance standpoint, all are same. Like you have to specify the sales area data. You have to put your sales organization, distribution channel division, and put everything like currency, Incoterm, etc. This is master data part. Now coming to EWM configuration side, how many configurations are required to work with the outbound process? The first configuration is needed is removal control indicator that we need to customize. Then we can use the standard process type, which is given by SAP, is 2010.
that is warehouse process, sir, that one,
Uh,
right?
this is
2010.
warehouse
Okay,
2010 is the warehouse process type. Okay.
okay, okay,
Okay. And then we have to create a search sequence, like storage type search sequence. And then
okay,
assign storage type search sequence to the storage type where you want to search the material. Okay. And then you do
okay,
a combination assignment of everything, removal control indicator, process removal process type, and then search sequence, FIFO process. Okay, and that it will be, you
okay,
can see here. So if I, this is the very important area. It's a very important area. So here you can see warehouse number, removal control indicator, process type. It is assigned to storage type search sequence.
storage too.
And one additional column is there, which is only applicable for outbound, whether we are using FIFO process or LIFO process or any other strategy, right? First in, first out or
Okay,
last in, first out. Let's say, for example, if we are keeping the product in stack, laptop, for example, we are keeping laptop one by one. So always we use last in, first out. Now, once this setup is done, then you need to assign the storage type search sequence to the list of storage type, which means when there is a demand for this material, it will go and search first to this 0010 storage type. If it is not available, then it will look for 0020 storage type. If it is available, fine. It will show that warehouse stocks created, source bin has been found. Otherwise, it will throw error that no stock available in any storage type or bin. Okay. In that case, you have the option to put the bin manually. You can put the bin manually. All configuration will be under cross-process setting. Remember this. Under extended warehouse management, cross-process setting. All the configuration will be there. Here you can see warehouse tasks and determine warehouse process type. Okay. And another step for storage type search sequence configuration, you have to go to this node, goods issue process. That will be here. So this is the process type determination. Here you can see for the warehouse, delivery document type, process type determination indicator, and it is determining 2010 process type.
Okay.
Now, what is the source bin and what is the destination bin? When we are using the search sequence, it will check and search where the stock is available. So we have the source bin found, which is dynamic because you don't know where the stock exactly. But the destination bin is fixed in this case. In case of goods issue, what is the destination bin? Destination bin is your GI zone. So in the process type, inside the process type, you have to put the destination storage type and destination bin. Okay. In case of 1010 process type, we saw that we have given source storage type 9010 and GR zone.
Yeah,
Destination
yeah, sir.
is searched by the system.
Correct, correct.
In case of
Sir,
picking,
I tried here. Correct, correct. What you done, I tried here because already source type we are given 9010 and source bin, right? GR0. What
Mhm.
happened? I tried to put source type and destination bin. Then the activity and then warehouse process category does not allow us to save that.
No, yeah, in case of outbound, you have to specify the destination because
Mm.
whatever
Okay.
you are picking, finally you have to
Mm.
take it to this GI zone. Otherwise,
GA zone.
system won't find that because you need two
Oh,
things. You need source, you need destination. Source, how you are finding by doing a search sequence.
correct, correct.
Destination, how it will found? It will found by process type. Okay.
Process type.
Okay, we'll
Warehouse
check this
WS.
inbound delivery. This is for which warehouse, Shantu?
This is my BMW warehouse, sir. BMW 1.
I mentioned that. BMW1.
MW.
Okay, all configuration there. I need to
Yes, sir.
check the configuration. Okay. So I'll check and I'll
Yes,
update
sir.
later. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So where before specifying the GI zone, you must have created the bin in LS01 transaction code. Go and create a GI zone bin under the storage type 9020. This is the process. Now configuration part is done. So how many configurations are there in short? Number one, removal control indicator. Number two, storage type search sequence. Number three, assign storage type search sequence to storage type list. And number four, make all the combination like warehouse, process type, removal control indicator, and storage type search sequence. These four configurations are there. Master data standpoint, we have material master to be updated in mat-on transaction, where you need to specify the removal control indicator, process type determination indicator. We need to create customer master data and extend the role in the sales area, company code area. So those are the requirement. Now to start the execution, first we'll create a sales order VA01 transaction code. We'll keep standard order type, which is OR. Whenever you are testing any SD related things, you always try to keep this order type, which is standard OR, and put your sales organization, distribution channel, and division. And I saw that our plants are connected to the sales organization. If it is not, then you need to connect your sales area with the plant. Otherwise, it will not work. Now here you need to put the sold to party, ship to party. You can keep the same customer code. put a reference customer order number, put the material quantity and the plant, double click on it, go to ship to shipping data. So if we, after entering all those details now, click on the quantity field, double click, and it will show you the shipping data tab. There you just cross check whether AFS location is determined or not. Okay, it should have AFS storage location. That I'll show you in the system. Now, next step is to create the outbound delivery. So you have to go to VL01N, create the outbound delivery. Outbound delivery will be saved and it should be distributed. So here you can see in the picking tab, outbound delivery picking tab, you can see the storage location AFSL. Okay, in our case it is AFS. Save it. It will be saved and it will be distributed to WMS system. Note down the delivery number, which is equal to the warehouse request with respect to EWM. Now, in case of inbound, we have used PRDI.
Yeah, DI, correct.
DI. In case of outbound, we will use PRDO. Go to the outbound delivery, and here goods issue process will be at last. In case of inbound, goods receive process is the first step.
Goods received.
In case
Correct.
of inbound, goods received is the first step, but in outbound, goods issue is the last step. Okay. So what is the first step? First step is you have to create a task. Go to outbound delivery and create a task. Okay.
Okay.
Create a task. It will create the task. It will take you to the warehouse request. Save it. It will create the task. Order will be created and saved, which you can check in the mon transaction. Next, you have to pack it. Okay. So how you can pack it? Go to outbound delivery, follow on function pack. It will take you to the packing screen. It is not shown here. Okay. I'll show you in the system how to pack it. So here picking,
Sir,
packing done. Loading, click on the
in
load.
outbound delivery itself, sorry to interrupt. In outbound delivery itself, packing also we can do, right? There are often I found in the screenshot.
No, see, in outbound delivery, you should not pack because the thing is that you don't know that how much quantity being ordered, okay, and how much is
Okay.
there in the pallet. Either you have to pull entire
Okay.
box or you have to, suppose 100 pieces are there, you can need to take 10 pieces and create a PKHU and put it there. Okay, that is the
Okay.
reason
Okay.
we generally do not pack it before.
Okay.
Then once the packing is done, it will show you the packing process complete. Third step is
Okay.
loading. Simply click on load. It will change the status to loading. And then you can do the goods issue.
Okay. First warehouse task, then loading, then goods issue, right? These three things
Yeah.
I
No,
need to
before
do.
that, packing, we have to do that.
Packing. Suppose warehouse task will
Packing,
be
okay.
ready.
Packing, okay.
Picking
Yeah.
and packing, you can do it simultaneously. I'll show you in the system in a minute.
Okay.
How you have to create a task, and while confirming the task, you can create the PKHU, pack the item, and confirm the task.
Okay.
Then load and then goods issue. Outbound delivery saved. Outbound delivery created. This outbound delivery is used. See, note that this is the outbound delivery order. Okay. This is the outbound delivery order, ODO. And when we save and when we goods issue, it creates another outbound delivery. See, 509 series is different. Remember, this is outbound delivery which is used for transportation. If we have the shipment process or transportation module, so they consider this document as the input, is the integration point. Okay. So one delivery you are creating in ERP, which is called the ERP outbound delivery, and when it get replicated to EWM, it is called the request or outbound delivery order. And once the outbound delivery order is goods issued, then it creates another document which is called again outbound delivery. This is little confusing, but if you go through 2-3 times, you can understand that. And this document, the goods issue document, will be updated in your ERP system once we'll do the goods issue. Provided everything is set up, means integration connection is there. Okay, I think for better understanding, let's check in the system. There.
Before start this one, sir, I have done the okay at prod and at HU also I have done it. Okay, last time with your warehouse only because my warehouse is not working.
Okay.
Okay, so it is working as expected, but
Okay.
in the last video for the inbound, sorry, physical inventory process only pending for me. I'll
Okay.
do it today.
Yeah. Okay.
If my warehouse is working good, then I'll do it
Mhm.
my warehouse only, sir.
Okay. So first, we'll check in the stock, existing stock in the mon transaction code. So I'll take the product light. So it's having stock 60 piece
100,
and 40 piece.
120
Okay.
BC.
Two different
Yeah.
unit. Okay, so the stock is available. Let me create a sales order.
VA0 or
BA0.
SSS, SS, SS,
Enter.
K,
Yeah.
P, reference PO number, material light.
Let's say that two quantity. Okay. Partial
Okay,
quantity I'm taking. Because customer may order in small quantity also. I will click
okay.
on it, go to the shipping.
Shipping tab,
Here AFS. So the AFS.
AFS.
That's
So
it.
we need to enter manually there, AFS. Okay.
See
Shipping tab.
in SD module there is a storage location determination configuration. Okay. Picking location
Okay,
determination configuration LE under LE. We have shipping, picking,
okay.
and picking location determination, where based on the planned shipping point, you can auto
Hmm.
determine the ship storage location. That configuration is there. It is
Okay,
not set up. That is the reason I am using it manually, putting it manually.
okay.
Go to the schedule line. It has
Schedule
committed.
line.
Okay.
Okay.
29 July is the expected delivery date. I'll just save it. It says the
So,
document is incomplete. If this message comes, click on the edit log. Click on edit. It will show you the incompletion log. Now, these are all the area you have to
gas
put
weight,
the
net
data.
price, payment
Yes,
terms.
just click on the complete data. It will take you to the net weight, gross weight, 1 kg, 1 kg. Enter. Go to next. Again, click on the right arrow to go to the next data. It is
Then
asking for Incoterm
import
and
terms.
transfer code. Again, click on complete data. Put the Incoterms.
Terms here, cost and freight.
The rate we determined. Next, Incoterm and what is the final terms of payment?
Terms of payment, 0001 something.
Sir, if we maintain the customer master directly, so it will be fetched from the customer master, right,
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes. In the sales view. In the sales view,
Yeah.
if you would have maintained it,
Hmm.
then we need not to give it manually. Okay.
Okay.
Save. Now it has saved, document complete and saved. Now go from here itself, you can create the delivery. Okay. Go to the deliver option. Either go to
Okay.
VL01N or you can directly go from here, deliver.
Okay.
with the shipping point ASP, enter. No schedule line. If this message comes, you just extend the delivery date because 29 was the delivery.
29 was
Click
the
29,
delivery.
enter. Now it has come. Go to the picking tab just to make sure warehouse populated because AFS is the location, available stock location. So warehouse number has been determined. Now what I'll do, I'll save it. It says that outbound delivery created and distributed to the WM system. Display
This is the
this.
ODO, sir, right?
This
Order
is all.
delivery.
This is the request, and with respect to EWM, this is the audio. How to check the audio? Go to PRDO transaction. We'll go to PRDO transaction
Here, DO.
and put your delivery number. Okay, and if it is not coming, in the left hand side you can see a human icon. Click on that,
Yes,
change your
yes.
warehouse.
Our
Here
warehouse
was
number.
Okay, it will come. Now here you can see that it has been populated, but all the status showing ship picking, not started, packing, not started, loading, not started, goods issue, not started. We'll be doing one by one. First step. We need to create the task. Okay. Now tasks can be created in two ways. Either releasing the wave, we can create a task, or you can manually create the task. So in this case, wave has been set up. Let me see the wave. Wave management is a different chapter. I'll show you, but for the time being, just I will go to the mon transaction code. I'll show you the wave. How it is coming, I'll show you in a different class. We have a chapter called wave management. So here, if we go to the wave, we can see this is the wave. If we click on the wave and release the wave, it will create the warehouse tasks automatically. Here you can see warehouse tasks is created. Okay.
Okay.
Wave, I'll
So
explain
what
you.
is that
Okay.
main purpose of Wave, sir? Wave
Yeah, web
management?
management, it's a different chapter. The purpose of web management is to release the
Okay.
warehouse tasks systematically. Let's say, for example, your truck will leave at 11 a.m. in the
Hmm.
morning. So
Okay.
you should release all the way by 9 a.m. so that it will create the warehouse tasks which is related to the item that will go through the truck. Okay. So
Okay.
systematically, scientifically, you'll release the wave and create the warehouse tasks rather creating it randomly. Okay. So similar type of
Okay.
materials, if we release the wave and create the tasks, it will be easier for picker to pick the item at one go. It's a systematic approach. I'll explain in details.
For this, yeah, here also configuration is there, right?
Yeah,
For Wave
configuration.
management.
Yeah, web
Okay.
management configuration is there. Okay, as I have set up the web, so web has been generated, assigned automatically. Task created. Now I'll go to the task, but I'll not confirm the warehouse order. So I go to the task. Is the warehouse outbound delivery number. Fine. Now I'll select this and go to the task. Okay. So here, go here. Now click on foreground. Why? Because this task is a picking task. This task is a picking task, and I want to do the picking in foreground just to show you that how we pack the item. Okay, pick and pack the item. I'll show you. So here I'll go to confirm in foreground tab. I would like to confirm it in foreground. So here you can see this is the source bin. Now I'll go to the PKHU tab and I want to create a PKHU. What is PKHU? Suppose there is a large box where the stock is there, 100 piece or 60 piece, which we have seen. In the pallet, two pallets were there, we have 60 piece of item, for example, in a box. So I need to pick only two items. I need to pick and put it into a box, a basket, okay, which is your PKHU. So for that, you need to create a handling unit where you will put the pick and put the item. Here, click on here, create, go to this view, scroll down, put a packaging material number, enter, click on create HU, create. Here you can see handling unit has been created. Okay. Handling unit has been created. Now if you go here, yeah. Now suppose you want to confirm in foreground. Okay. Peak HU, what is the peak HU? This is the peak HU. Save it. So peak
So
HU.
handling unit can be used for PKG also and PTB also. Same handling unit can be used based on business, right?
No, in case of you are talking about put I.
No, actually handling unit both side we are using, right, sir? At
Huh.
the time of
See,
PTB
vendor,
also, at the
suppose
time of
vendor
PK.
has given on handling unit, it is there. So in the inbound delivery,
Okay.
handling unit tab, one handling unit was already created. Either you can,
Okay.
if that handling unit fit into your bin, fine, you need not to open and repack it. But if it does not fit, suppose vendor has sent a 4 meter size handling unit,
Mm.
okay, box, but
Okay.
your bin size is 3 meter. It allows maximum 3 meter. What you will do, you will open the vendor packet and put it into a 3 meter height handling unit and keep the box. Two box you will create and keep it into your bin.
Okay.
Now we'll go to the warehouse tasks. Here you can see that warehouse tasks created and see the status. Hmm, there is an interruption in the server.
Sometimes it takes time, sir.
Okay, I just wanted to check the status of the warehouse task. Is it confirmed? Yeah, status is showing confirmed, which means now if I go to the status, so here you can see the picking has been completed. Now you have to do the packing. Okay. You have created a handling unit, you have picked the item. Now you need to pack it. So go colon function, pack it. Okay. The PKHU number, did you remember the PKHU number? No, no,
It
forgot.
is a
So,
seven digit.
7 series number, no?
Yeah,
Lost
yeah.
it. Let me see. Any handling unit created? No, 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 it has gone. Oh, okay, fine, not an issue. Can create it again. Not an issue.
monitor
Okay,
tab.
so suppose it has generated and you have missed, then we can create it again. Go to the pack, simple. Go to the put the packing material number, okay, and GI zone. In the GI zone, let's execute. Storage bin is GI zone, right? GI
Yeah, GSM.
dot GI zone. Execute. So this is the uh, handling unit.
7, 7.
I just need to press it, press the mouse, peek and put the light into this box. Now it came inside the box. Okay, drag and drop and save it. So your packing is done. Now if I go back and refresh it, refresh it, I can see that packing is also completed. Okay. Now loading. Suppose a vehicle has come and I have started the loading. So I'll click here in system. Let's select the line, load it. It'll show the loading status completed. So once the loading is done, the final step is to do the goods issue. Now goods issue not started. I'll I'll click on here, select the line, click on here. So here you can see that outbound delivery 308. See a different number. This number is used for integration, transportation management or shipment.
Transport management. No.
Okay. Now if now we check the stock, we go to the stock and bin, available stock, see the product. Okay. 60 quantity was there, now
Two quantity reduced.
2
Yeah.
quantity reduced. So similarly, what you can do, you can take my reference light material.